Hey everybody, today we're going to make easy banana pancakes. You're going to need a bowl, a fork, a banana, an egg, peanut butter or sun butter or wow butter, salt, and butter or oil. Let's get started. So first we're going to mash this banana, and I'm just going to put it in a medium bowl. And you're going to want to mash it up. I'm just going to use a fork. And I'm going to mash this until it's smooth. Next up, we're going to whisk in our other two main ingredients. So right now I'm going to do the egg. And I'm just going to use my fork just to cut down on everything I'm using. Alright, now I'm going to add my pinch of salt. Got a pinch of salt. Sprinkle that right in. Give that a quick little mix. Okay. And now is our peanut butter. And we only need about a tablespoon of peanut butter. So I've gone ahead and just estimated about a tablespoon. Alright, we'll mix this in. I'm just gonna get something to heat it up on and make them into pancakes. You can definitely use a pan and a burner. I'm gonna use a griddle. I just prefer to use that for pancakes. Alright, so we've got our griddle. We want to heat up some butter, or if you're using oil or that's all you have on hand, that'll work too. Yep. And now we're just going to pour our mixture out. And I'm going to do about 3-inch rounds. Or a little bit bigger. That's going to heat up, and we're going to wait for that. Alright, so this should be ready in about 2 to 3 minutes to be able to flip to the other side. We're just going to watch for those edges to get brown. So on normal pancakes, you'll start to see bubbles at the top, but since these are so thick, we'll just kind of have to test it. The edges have firmed up a little bit. You can kind of see that, but you'll just have to give it a test and see if it'll lift up for you. Uh-oh, that one messed up. That got a little burnt up and stuck to the pan. That's because the spot that one was in didn't get very much butter, so it stuck a little bit. So we'll let this cook up on the other side, and then after that, we'll be ready to add our toppings.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so it's been a few minutes. I think that they'll probably be done on the other side now. Okay, they look good, so we'll get these off on a plate. I'll turn my griddle off for now. You can add normal toppings. You could add butter. You could add more peanut butter, and you could also add syrup. You could also top it off with another banana or even some strawberries.
Stop this.
Yeah,